Welcome to this new video tutorial of the Yucon AC recharging station. When you turn on the product for the first time, you'll need to choose the language and the country of use. Next, connect to a Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Press connect, and then continue. Once this is done, manually enter the calendar data and time, or enable automatic synchronization. Next, read the user license and press continue. Now the machine will check for software updates. Once the updates are finished, press continue, then activate online. Next, enter the company data. Then you can start using your new Yucon AC recharging station. Begin by pressing AC Service Vehicle Selection. Then select Vehicle Database and search for the vehicle that is being serviced. Now enter the customer information, and then start service. At this point, the LED indicator will light up in green. Next, we'll connect the hoses. Do this by removing the caps on the vehicle's AC connections. Once connected, press continue on the machine. Then, open the blue and red couplers. And press continue. At this point, the recovery phase will begin. Followed by the vacuum phase, then the injection phase, and lastly, the charge phase. Once finished, press continue and disconnect the hoses. After the hoses are disconnected, remember to reinstall the caps on the vehicle. Now press continue and wait for the recovery of the remaining refrigerant in the hoses. When completed, you can check the results and share them with the customer via email. or you can also print them directly. In addition, using our DigitIQ Aircon app, you can pair your smartphone to the machine and remotely monitor the charging process live. Using our Yucon AC recharging station is easy and efficient. For more information, visit us online.